Renowned for its natural beauty, the subtropical Sunshine Coast offers the perfect qualities to create a healing environment. Taking advantage of this healthy natural setting, Exemplar Health is proud to present its vision for the new Sunshine Coast University Hospital. Within a region experiencing unprecedented growth and a changing demographic, the Queensland Government is committing a significant investment to deliver one of the largest hospital building projects in Australia. Enjoying views to the coast, mountains and river, the master plan responds to the site using the natural landscape for orientation to create a hospital blending buildings with landscape, smoothly linking inside to out. Primary buildings are organised around a main courtyard, comparable in size to 2 Olympic swimming pools. A green spine sets up a key site axis, clearly designating drop-off zones and the main entry. Throughout all levels of the buildings, courtyards continue the integration of landscape. Light wells punctuate the hospital-built form. Clinical departments are collocated in the West Building, while the East Building houses the research and teaching facilities of the SARC. The Mental Health Unit sits adjacent to the Emergency Department. Inpatient units capture maximum views and form physical links between the SARC and clinical areas. A dedicated facility management centre collocates operational functions accessed through a dual tunnel and overhead link. A 100-place childcare centre sits above the public hospital car park, which is simple and legible to use with dedicated staff and public zones. The private hospital is located adjacent to the hub, which forms a dynamic public town square and meeting place. The outdoor room uniquely reflects local lifestyles, a perfect space to meet, greet and spend time together. The clearly highlighted main entry warmly welcomes patients and visitors, who can easily see cafes, retail and the information area. The active Hospital Street opens out onto the main courtyard, featuring eating, relaxing and play areas. On its western edge, it provides a tranquil outlook for the Cancer Centre. Pastoral Care sits at the southern end of the main courtyard, with specialised entries such as maternity and cancer care. Running along the Eastern Boulevard, the SARC create a new High Street, which arrives at the outdoor room and town square, forming an access point with the Green Spine and public transport junction. Heading down Southern Lane, a low-traffic landscaped thoroughfare, staff and pedestrians use the overhead bridge links to access the hospital from the car park. The Critical Emergency Department is strategically located towards the end of Southern Lane, easy to find from any point on the campus. Reflecting a domestic tone at the southern end of the site, Mental Health enjoys quiet and natural surrounds. Running along the western edge of the site, Kawana Way provides convenient access to the hospital, facilities management centre and parking. Entering the site from Kawana Way, users are greeted by beautiful landscaped spaces with clear views intuitively directing them through to main entry point. Upon arriving, you will feel a sense of belonging. Welcome to the Sunshine Coast University Hospital.